Every year, thousands of young people start their agricultural journey full of hope and ambition, but most of them fail within the first few years. Not because farming is impossible, but because of mistakes they didn't even know they were making. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 7 most common mistakes that many young farmers fall into when starting their agricultural projects. And more importantly, by the end of this video, you'll discover practical solutions to overcome these challenges and increase your chances of success. If you're thinking about starting a farm, or you're already on this path, this video might change everything for you.
Number 1. No feasibility study before starting. You wouldn't build a house without blueprints, so why start a farm without a business plan? One of the most common mistakes is jumping into a project because a friend said it was profitable, or because they saw it work in a YouTube video. No soil analysis, no water availability check, no market study, no cost calculation. They plant first and think later, and when the first season fails, they have no idea why.
Number 2. Lack of technical agricultural knowledge. Passion for farming is not the same as knowing how to farm. Many young people enter agriculture inspired by sustainability or independence, which is beautiful. But inspiration doesn't protect your crops from disease, drought, or poor soil management. Without technical knowledge, the right fertilizer ratios, irrigation schedules, pest control timing, one bad decision can wipe out an entire season's work.
Number 3. Poor financial management and cash flow. Most agricultural projects don't fail at harvest. They fail in the bank account months before. Agriculture has long cycles. You spend money on seeds, labor, water, and inputs, and you wait months to see any return. Young entrepreneurs often underestimate operating costs and run out of cash before the harvest. They borrow without a repayment plan, or they mix personal and business finances until everything collapses together. Number 4. No clear market or buyers identified. Growing the product is only half the job. Selling it is the other half, and the harder one. They plant tons of tomatoes, cucumbers, or herbs, and at harvest time, they realize they have no buyer. The local market is flooded, the middlemen offer 10% of the real value, and they end up selling at a loss or throwing the produce away. The market wasn't studied. The clients weren't secured. The distribution wasn't planned. Number 5. Working alone without a reliable team. Agriculture is not a solo sport. A farm that runs on one person's energy always burns out. Young entrepreneurs try to do everything themselves. The planting, the irrigation, the accounting, the sales, the social media. Within months, they're exhausted. Or the opposite. They partner with a friend without a clear agreement. And when disputes arise over money or responsibilities, the partnership and the project falls apart. Number 6. Ignoring climate and environmental risks. Nature doesn't care about your business plan. Are you ready when it doesn't cooperate? A late frost, an unexpected drought, a pest infestation, or a flood. These are not exceptions in agriculture. They are realities. Young farmers who don't plan for risk are devastated when climate disrupts their season. No insurance, no diversified crops, no backup plan. One bad weather event erases everything. Number 7. Giving up too soon. Lack of perseverance. The farmers who succeed are not necessarily the most talented. They're the ones who stayed. Agriculture is slow. The first season teaches you what not to do. The second season teaches you how to do better. The third is when you start finding your rhythm. But many young people quit after the first failure, sometimes the first setback. They expected quick money, and when reality hit, they walked away. The real cost wasn't the failed crop.
It was abandoning the experience right before it would have turned into wisdom. Here is the magical plan you must follow to overcome these problems. 1. Research before money. Visit real farms, talk to real farmers, calculate your break-even point. Know your market before you grow your crop. 2. Train before you plant. Take courses, find a mentor, get hands-on experience. Enthusiasm without expertise is just expensive guessing. 3. Control your cash. Build a cash flow calendar. Keep 3 months emergency fund. Separate your personal money from your project money day 1. 4. Find buyers first. Restaurants, cooperatives, exporters, online channels. Sell before you sow. 5. Build a real team. Find people who complement your skills. Write everything down. Roles, responsibilities, profit sharing, even with friends. 6. Protect your project. Diversify crops, use efficient irrigation, get insured. Always have a plan B. 7. Year 1 is school. Don't expect profit, expect lessons. The farmers you admire had years of failure you never saw. Every great farm started with one decision. Subscribe for weekly insights that turn your passion into a profitable project. And tell me in the comments, what's your dream crop?